If somebody comes in and says, this is weird wording, that there's a poltergeist in my house, I need you to come pray. Most of the time, when somebody has called me and said, would you come pray over my house? I was like, okay, how long did this happen? What's in your house? Well, my husband plays with the Ouija board. My children do this. Well, are you all willing to give that up? No. Well, then I'm not spending my time coming and praying over your house that is a melting pot for the demonic. Why would we do that? If I can tell you anything, don't waste your time wasting your time. If somebody wants to be set free, they're going to be desperate to be set. If they're desperate, they will be set free. If you have to pull them along, I'm not saying leave them, just begin praying for them. But don't put your time and your resources in that, because you will just be spinning like a top over and over again. When you get a hold of someone that's like, I don't care what it looks like. I don't care what it sounds like. I don't care. I just need Jesus. I just need to be set free. Oh man, spend your time right there. It'll be most fruitful. I don't know about you, but I don't like digging around in rocks. I like some good soil. That's pretty good wisdom there.